Guys, outfit check. Alam niyo guys, ang ganda din yung fitting nito. As in, super. Bet na bet ko talaga siya guys. Kung nagtataka kayo kung saan po ako lalayas, pupunta po tayo sa store. Kasi po mga guys, kailangan ni Kuya Kent ng 3-ring binder. Hindi niya man lang sinasabi sa akin. Siguro nakalimutan niya or what. Buti na lang nag-text yung teacher. Nag-a-update. Yun lang maganda na nag-text ang teacher. Kaya masaya na ako na back to actual school siya. So ito lang yung outfit natin guys. Yun lang yung bibilhin natin. Binder. At saka pupunta po ako sa store kung saan ako nag-start nung mag-utang ng damit. Kasi nga para yung credit score ko is tumaas. So magbabayad tayo ngayon mga guys. Kunti lang. Paunti-unti lang para maganda. At saka para may ano. So, ang ganda nito guys. So, grabe. Cute siya. Parang naaano yung katawan ko na may mga bilbil. Ayan, nakasandal lang ako. Yung favorite kong sandal. Si asawa ko nasa likod. Ayan. Ganda diba? Maganda yung fitting denim siya na soft denim siya guys. Anyway, tara. Let's go. Samahan niyo ako. But I don't know kung makafilm ako guys. Dahil, palubat yung aking camera. Dapat i-charge ko siya kanina, no? So, tara guys, let's go. Ayan na mga guys, done na po. So, sa ngayon, nagbayad lang ako ng 50. Bakit hindi? Ayan, so, uwi na po tayo mga guys. And then, makarelax na po tayo dahil time to pick up the kiddos. Nag-move na ang sasakyan. Kunin na namin ang aming bunso. Bunso. So that's the good thing on my Wednesday off. I can go if I'm in the mood.
You need to go and let me just stay home.
But I like when you drive. Morning and night. Miss Danae. Don't worry, Miss Danae. We have Gabriel, and that's it.
Wait. She knows now. She's the one that puts him in the truck every day.
Oh, really?
Like, walks him all the way down here and puts him in.
Oh, that's so nice.
Like, she'll say, Gabriel. Like, call him down, like, let him walk all the way over.
Oh, okay. That's so nice. Here's Miss Danae. Oh, she's not looking. I was gonna say hi. There's our boy, guys. He's a big boy. Ayan siya. Come on, right there.
He's all happy because you're here.
Yeah, I bet. Get in, Gabriel. Well, close the door. Ooh.
You didn't shut it all the way.
Shut it. Okay, you got it. There you go. Good job. Take off the backpacks. How's your day?
Great!
Ah, I love it. Thanks God. Seatbelt.
But mommy,
Hmm.
When I was packing up, I accidentally tripped and hit my mouth on the table.
Are you okay though? Okay, thanks God. What accident happened?
When a blister.
Did you hurt yourself?
Yeah, his mouth, but nothing really in his mouth right now. It's gone, bro.
You'll
I'm
be
glad
fine.
you're fine.
Sometimes you get boo-boos when you're gay.
Yeah.
Look at my boo-boo. You want to see?
Yeah, it's a blister.
Watch out, Dad.
Oh, what happened, Dad?
I got a boo-boo.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Dito na mga bagets, no? So, nakauwi na po kami. Lahat po, na-pick up na natin ng mga bata. Ngayon, nakalimutan ko. Kaya, appointment pala ni Kuya ngayon para sa kanyang haircut. Dito kasi mga guys, mas maganda kung magpa-appointment ka para iwas sa waiting ba. Nakakapagod mga guys. But anyway, tara po. Samahan niyo po kami. Doon pa rin po sa favorite haircut niya. Say hi, Gabe! Let's go, guys!
Just got a haircut 2 weeks ago and already back. Come on.
Yes. He said he will not have haircut when he don't have a long hair. Correct? Oh, how much for this again?
35.
35 or 30?
35.
Crazy kasi how expensive the haircut here in the US. Imagine magkano din yan. 35 plus tip mo sa kanila na $5 guys. So $40 every haircut. Ay. Punta ako dito ngayon sa Asian store. Let's see if they're open. If not, then that's okay. Kasi na-drop off na po namin si Kuya doon. At saka mahaba habang aantayin. So, haha, they're closed. You don't know anything. Ay,
Looks closed.
ayan dyan guys, Asian market. I wanted to do this kind of business.
Closed.
So, oh yeah. Hi.
5. Closed at 5.
Ah, okay. That's fine.
Is that 5? 9 to 5?
Yeah, it says right there. What? So, yun na nga guys. Ganyan lang pala. Ah, ito ang pambaba. Anyway guys, close po ang tindahan. Wala tayong magawa. Kasi meron sana akong gustong bilhin kaya wag na lang. Kasi sarado sila. So balik tayo doon mga guys at antayin po natin doon si Kuya na matapos. Diyan yung ating mga kasama sa likod. Tulog ang mga person. Tara guys. Hi guys. Tapos na kami doon. Nag-antay kay Kuya.
Daddy don't eat Happy Meal.
Dito na kami ngayon sa McDo at
I'll just get one Happy Meal and with that.
Okay. Nag-drive-thru kami guys. Dahil Tom Jones po kami.
I think choose McDonald's using
Para
all
hindi
that
na ako
thing.
magluto.
No.
Alrighty, what can I get started for you?
Let me get a cheeseburger Happy Meal with all fries with a chocolate milk.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah. Do you have that Big Mac combo? I mean, a Big Mac. You get like 2 Big Macs, 2 fries.
The bundle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you want that one?
Yeah, with and the nuggets.
Yeah, 2 medium fries, 20 piece, 2 Big Mac. What would you like for your 3 sauces on that?
Let me get some ranch.
Okay, anything else?
And barbecue.
Alrighty.
And some ketchup, I guess.
Ranch barbecue ketchup.
Yeah. That'll
Okay.
do.
So we got the Big Mac bundle, ranch barbecue ketchup with the cheeseburger ham meal.
Yeah. That's it.
So yeah, that was me at the first one though.
What'd she say?
Chicken nugget. Oh no. Ask her.
Oh, she was talking to me. It says 2 Big Macs.
No, it's only one.
What's that say right there?
Oh, okay.
Except I forgot to tell them no salt on the fridge.
Akala ko kasi isang Big Mac lang. But anyway, it's not too bad. So,